Hello guys, hello my people, welcome back to my YouTube channels. Guys, please kindly, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. You can like, share, and leave a comment if you have a comment, guys. So guys, but remember to hit a notification bell, guys, so that when I update a new video, then you will be the first person to be get notified, guys. So today, guys, I have prepared a good video that I'm going to teach you on how you make the homemade solar, guys. Most of people, they don't have money to buy the solar heater or the Ariston heater, guys. So this is the best method and the cheapest you can use so that to bed hot water, guys. So please kindly, before I start, I would like to mention the material that I'm going to use it to make this solar heater, guys. So this is the materials. As you see, you should have the tea. This is the tea. I have in mind, I have three teas here, so that this tea will act as a solar tubes. We have so many different of solar heaters. So the solar heater that I'm going to make here is the one which has the tubes. So mine will have 4 tubes. You can see this, the first tea and the second tea and this elbow. So guys, please watch this video as I proceed. And this is my source of power that I'm going to use it to make this solar, which is the PPR welding machine, guys. This is the machine that I'm using to join these PPR pipes with the fitting, guys. So kindly, but you have the tape measure, so that you take the measurement of your tubes, as you see. So I'm going to start now. You can watch. I'm starting by measuring the tubes. You can decide to use whichever you want your tubes to be, the distance or the longest, guys. So mine will have I will have a small tubes as this. I will take the 8-inch. This is the 8-inch. So I'm going to use this my tubes to be 8 inches. Then you measure to your pipes. You are going to use it the way this is my 8-inch. After measuring it, then you take the hacksaw, you cut. Yeah, like that. After taking the measurement, though there is no need to use the tape measure, you can use the same tubes that you have measured. You can see this mine. I will take the measurement. I will have 4. You can see these 4 tubes, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have remained with 2 more. I remained with 2 more. Yeah. Sorry guys. Yeah. Then you take the tubes to measure. Cut your pipes like this, the way I'm cutting, guys. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. I take this. Yeah. This is, guys, the same tubes that I'm going to use. This will act as my tubes of solar heater, guys. But remember, this is the homemade solar that I'm making here. Then I'm teaching you, don't waste your money to buy the solar heater. You can use this method so that you get the hot water. After making it, then you can put direct to the sunlight up at the roof, guys. So guys, I'm starting by joining. You carry your first T, your welding PPR machine. Then you join the way I'm doing, guys. Like this. Then you take the elbow. Yeah, guys. Take the second tube. carry the third one, guys. This is my third tube. Like that, you join like this, then you take the then you join. Oh no, guys, carry your T, join. Like this. Take the measurement where. So guys, this is how you make the solar, the homemade solar. Yeah. Can see, guys. This is my solar, guys. So I want to join the point here, the one that I have not joined. They want to join it. Then you remember to carry your tape measure. Then you measure the distance between 2 points. Like mine, I will use the 7 millimeter. The 7 millimeter here. Then you carry your pipe. You measure where there is a 7 millimeter. This point. Yeah. You cut. Then you use the same method. So guys, I have cut, you can see this 6 pieces, 1 2 3 4 5 6. As you see, I'm going to join them here. You can see I'm going to join them like this. You can see how I'm going to join. You can see this is the 6 pieces, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So guys, watch the way I'm going to join them. Start by joining like this, the way I'm doing. Yeah, carry another piece. This is how you join them. Like that. So guys, this is the solar how you make. Yeah guys, you can see my solar. This is the homemade solar guys, you can see. So guys, the point you see here, you can see this point guys, this will be the inlet of this solar guys. This will be the inlet, and the point you see here, this point, it will be the outlet of this solar guys. So after making this diagram, then you take it to your roof, upper roof, you put directly to the sunlight so that the water, then you connect this point, you will connect it from your tank, and this you connect to your shower guys. After connecting this point to your tank, then the water will getting into this solar guys, to this point. After you put directly to your sunlight, then the water will be hot and getting out through this point, going to your showers or to your sanitary appliances guys. So guys, this is the cheapest method of solar, the homemade solar guys. So I think this will be the end of this video guys, but we will meet in the next time. Then I'm going to show you in the next time, I'm going to show you how you connect it from the tank then to your house guys. So thank you for watching this video guys. Please, if you are new to this channel, I'm requesting kindly subscribe, likes and share, and if you have any comment you can comment, and remember to hit the bell so that when I update a new video, then you should be the first person to be notified guys. Thank you for watching.